My life is eclectic at home. I like to do everything outdoors. I live in the country. I have ATVs, I've got guns, I like to hunt and fish. I play the drums. I do a little bit of everything. Video games, movies. My sister lived in the Keys for a while, and I loved the Keys. It was in our country, and it was away from our country. I've lived all over the world and the country. I grew up out on the West Coast in Eastern Oregon. I really enjoy going out there and spending time with my family and doing outdoor stuff out there, because that's what you get to do. Again, I've traveled quite a bit. I would have to say it would be some place like New Zealand or Iceland, that you could go outside and it not be too hot or too cold. That's pretty and outdoorsy. Probably problem solving and helping technicians. It's something we get to do every day. It's something we get to see an effect on daily. You know, having been a technician myself, I understand the pains that are in the field. Having been on the help desk myself, I know the calls that come in. I know what the struggles are every day, and every day we can help make a difference, and I see it. And we're trying to help figure out ways to deal with those daily issues. They come up all the time, so it's nice to see, and it's rewarding. So there's two things. There's one, the owners of our company are really into race cars, and they race cars. And there's a track up near my house, VIR, and they held a track day. I got to drive I have a Scat Pack, Charger Scat Pack, got to drive that on the track, which I didn't get to drive fast, but who cares, it was cool. I was on the track with my car, and I got to do a ride along, which was really cool, because I got to go fast. Some of the other things that we've done that I've really enjoyed, I've enjoyed the ball games, every one of them. It's cool to go to any one of these parks around here and spend the day with employees, hang out, watch the ball game, enjoy the field, drink a beer, you know, it's cool. Fun. I've been here 11 years. People don't stay at a job that they don't like for that long. This is the best job I've ever had. And I don't just say that for PR. If people come for an interview, I would tell them the same thing. You know, there's always a chance to help, you know, in the industry. We all have a good time every day, and I say this a lot. On Fridays, it's kind of ridiculous if you walk around and listen. Every department is laughing. And of course, it's Friday and adds to it, but it's like that most days of the week too, and Fridays is just amplified. So, you know, there's not just myself that's been here 11 years. We have a lot of people that have been here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years, pretty much the length of the company. And there's a lot of families that have grown up here, lots of kids. My kids all went from 8, now they're all grown and adults and graduated high school and in college. So it says a lot about a company.